Hi, my name's Belinda. Welcome to my channel. I'm 43 and I love everything about beauty, hair products, makeup, skincare, everything. So I wanted to share with you and give some reviews on some products that I've been trying and share a few tips and ideas that I've come across. Absolutely no expert at any of this, and I have to apologise for the quality of the film. It's just done on an iPad, so the colour isn't always great and the sound's not. So if you like anything beauty, keep watching. Thanks then. Teeth whitening experiment number 2. New brand today. We have Crest 3D white strips. Let's go straight in and give them a go. So, first things first, dry the teeth with a tissue. Okay, so each pack you get 2 strips, top and bottom. You need to do this on dirty teeth, so I've not cleaned these today, it's now evening, and it says you're probably best to do it at the end of the night in case you get a bit of sensitivity, so not when you're about to eat or drink. So it comes off 2 strips, and it says to stick it sticky side, apply gel side to the teeth and wear for 30 minutes. Now to me, the non-sticky side seems the gel side, but it won't stick to your teeth if you do it that way. So we do this way. Here we go. Ah, now this is much stickier than the first lot that I did. They didn't have much staying power. And I already feel a bit stronger, a bit tingly. So you dry your teeth off and put it straight onto your teeth. Once it's in place, what I've done, nice with false nails, just go in between each tooth so you're getting the gel in between your gaps. I'm just going to do that. And at the bottoms as well. So these are made by Crest. You probably know that as a normal toothpaste brand. And these are a bit more expensive than the first ones they use. These are, what the amount I've gone for, £24.99. I can't speak. £24.99. I've got 20 strips, so I've got 10 pouches. So 10 days worth, two strips per pouch. They go on a lot easier than the others I tried, for sure. And I've seen on some other trials that people have used, they have actually used 2. So I suppose if you've got a bigger mouth or bigger teeth, this actually covers all the way for me there to there. So that's all you'd see on mine, so I can probably just get away with one. Okay, that's the top and the bottom. Shape of this one's different to the other brand I tried as well. Dry off the old teggies. Stick it on. Yeah, the other one was a bit of a better shape, I think. It shaped more to your bottom teeth. It took into account these little spikers. So it's tight as possible. Oh my god, it's stuck my lips. It stuck on my lip. This is very sticky, so just go careful. Right, so that's day 1. Got to leave these on now for half an hour. I will mess about with them a bit off screen and get them a bit more stuck on, but you get the idea. It's very important to get it in between the teeth. So I'm going to go off and do that, and then, excuse me, I shall take them off and show you what after the first go looks like. Won't hardly see anything after the first go, I'm sure, but I'll come back so you can see. So just give me half an hour. So I've had them on for half an hour. One thing I did forget to mention when I started this, I said that you have to put them on dirty teeth, and that hadn't cleaned my teeth. I actually did clean them this morning. I just meant I'd clean them this evening. Just so we get that right. So yeah, I've left it. Let's get these off because these are making a racket. Oh yeah. Flipping out, they're sticky. God. There we go. Oh yeah. Blimey. They're not moving anywhere in a rush. God, these have got a very good adhesive. Struth. Right, so that's it. After half an hour, took them off. Still got a bit of the sticky stuff on. Give you a close inspection. You always look really white when you first take them off. But actually, they do look a bit whiter, for sure. They look like they've got, on the other video that I did, they didn't seem to get into my teeth, into the gaps very well. You know, in between each tooth, whereas this lot looks like it's gotten a bit better. So I shall just go off and brush my teeth, and then I'll carry on with a few more days and then come back and give you a progress report. So I'm on day seven of the next tooth whitening trial. The Crest, hang on, let me speak in a minute. I'll just say one thing. All of the packs have been okay so far. Hit the 7th. And this one just didn't stick to my teeth very well. I've had no problems with any of the others. Just this one packet hasn't worked. So I've contacted this seller and asked if he might send me a replacement, please. So let me just take the other one off. Tissue. This brand sticks to your teeth a lot better than the first lot I tried. There is another video that I've done before. They were quite a lot cheaper, but I think these are a lot better. So these were $24.99 for 10 days worth, and you get 2 strips. So you get 20 strips, 10 packs. So I have still got all the adhesive on my teeth, but I'll just come in and let you have a look. Yeah. They do always look better, like I say, I've said many times. Once you've taken them off, they do look brighter. But yeah, I've had a few people tell me this time that my teeth are looking whiter now. So I've got 3 more days left. I'll let you know if I get a message from the seller to see if he might send me a replacement. But I'll come back at the end of day 10 and give you my final verdict. Ding! And if you did watch my last video, I couldn't remember what the ding was. It's the Listerine dragon called Clifford. So I've come to the end of day 10 of the teeth whitening. I have to say I've been really impressed with these. I've not had any sensitivity except the very first pack that I put on. That went away within seconds. Had no problems at all. They are a bit sticky, a bit messy, but they need to be sticky to stay on your teeth. And as I've said throughout the whole video, make sure you push them into the gaps. So I'll give you another little nosy at my teeth and see what you think. I didn't really have massive stains to start with, but I certainly think they've whitened them. So for £25, absolutely no-brainer. But do shop around a bit, because I've noticed on eBay that you can get them a little bit cheaper. I think I've seen some for about £20 now, so I will be ordering some more. But thanks for watching.